Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So, all we have to do is simply go to Settings. In here you want to scroll down a little and go to Focus. Then we click Do Not Disturb. And after scrolling down, we'll see Set Schedule. As you can see, we have a few different presets available. You can also add a new one. For example, I will set it to time from, let's say, 11 p.m. to, well, let's set it to 7 a.m. because, I'm asleep then. And then I simply hit done. And as you can see now we can enable it. It is enabled to on, but we can also enable our smart activation, our everyday. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.